For today's challenge, you have to be the last one on the train. Oh, what train?
Okay, but before we start, we have to do the elimination. So, we got 4 votes. Not the most, but not the less.
But Junior, you are safe with 2 votes. You two. You both tied at 1 vote. Meaning that I let the contestants rate you from 1 to 10 whether they want you to stay or not. So, let's see the result. The challenge, like Toasty said, is to be the last one on the train. But what train? I'll just show you. Oh, this train. Oh, yeah.
Snatch. Snatch.
Where do you think you're going? To win.
Snatch.
I won.
No, you didn't.
How? What do you mean how? There's only 2 other contestants left. Say goodbye. Well, I have something to defeat you. Well, you aren't going to use it until No! I'm going to push you off. Now I won? Yep. Yes, you have. And you also want to be...